Want to stop others from accidentally changing your important data in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to lock and protect cells step by step. Step 1. Select all cells. First, click on the small square at the top left corner of the sheet to select all cells. Right-click, choose Format Cells, and go to the Protection tab. Here you'll see an option called Locked. By default, it's already checkmarked. This means all cells are locked, but nothing will happen until we protect the sheet. Step 2. Unlock specific cells. Now let's unlock the cells we still want to edit. Select those cells, right-click, go back to Format Cells, Protection, and uncheck Locked. This will allow us to make changes only in these cells, even after the sheet is protected. Step 3. Protect the sheet. Next, go to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. Here, you can set a password if you want extra security. Click OK and your spreadsheet is now protected. Step 4. Test it out. Try editing a locked cell. It won't let you. But the unlocked cells can still be edited. And that's how you control which cells can be changed. Simple, right? That's how you lock and protect cells in Excel. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Excel tips.